Hi everybody, now I will start pronunciation. The first sound is E. Shape, agree, complete, receive, believe, Vietnamese, been, eat, heal, please, dream, really, meal, speak, meet, week, east. Peter in the team. Peter in the team. A piece of pizza, please. A piece of pizza, please. Please speak English with me. Please speak English with me. The next sound is E. Begin, minute, dinner, 50, gym, shape, peel, picture, here, different, between, typical, English, until, will, in, gym, is in the picture, gym is in the picture, bring, chicken for dinner, bring chicken for dinner, eat, not, typical, to speak English, it's not difficult to speak English. Thanks for listening to me.